Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Devanuz Asuquo. So on this video I'm going to show you how to install and use LUT in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And I have a new package which contains 3 LUT in it. It's actually a melanin LUT. So I'm going to use one of them in this picture so that you guys can just see how effective it is. And if you're interested in it, just go to the description box. You see a link which will take you directly to the site you can get the LUT. So after doing everything, retouching and blending the skin tone, so what next I'm going to do now is just to add the LUT to this picture to make the melanin skin pop and color grade every part. So I'll just get to my color lookup at the adjustment dialog box. So I'll just click the color lookup. So after clicking the color lookup, this is actually where it's going to take me to next. So once it takes you down here, you now click on load 3D LUT. So I'll just click on this. So this part is actually the built-in LUT in Photoshop. So I'm not going to use any of this. I'll just load 3D LUT. So after loading it, I have my LUT in my document. This is a 3 LUT contained in the package. So on this video, let me just show you guys a glance through of how it looks. So the first LUT is Melanin Pro 1. So I'm just going to open it. So after opening it, this is actually looked, and this is the before and this is the after. So I'm just going to check in the second one. So I'm just going to click on the load 3D LUT the same way I did the first. So I'm just going to select the second one, then I'll actually open it, and you can now see the effect. This is the before and this is the after, still looking really unique. So on the third one, I'll still repeat the same process. So I'll just open it, and you can now see. So this is how the 3 LUT looks differently. So this is the first, and this is the second, and this is the third. So what I'm going to use in this video is actually this first one. So I'll just delete the 2 off. So you can now see it really made the picture pop and everything. So this is how I got to install and apply my LUT in my photos. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you're interested in getting the LUT, you can just click on the description box. You actually see a link. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.